welcome to our house. Come on inside, it's cold outside.
Here's our front entryway, and I just wanted to add a little bit of fall here. So I put a pumpkin from my dad's garden. I like to just have little bits of fall throughout my house rather than a ton of it in one place. Number one, it makes it more cost efficient, and number two, I kind of just like having a little bit rather than feeling like there's just fall all over the house. Moving on into our dining room, we have a couple cute kids who are playing. Also on our table, I've added a leaf plate that I got a couple years ago from Pier 1, and then the girls and I just found some pine cones that we put on it. Over here on our table, I also added a little bit of fall. Once again, I have a pumpkin from my dad's garden, and then we got a little flower arrangement here. I wanted to keep this area really neutral, so I just added a couple pops of fall here. I added this black and white pumpkin that I got from a local store. And then once again, my dad's garden for the win with this little white pumpkin gourd. Dad, help me. If you know what it is, comment below. Moving on to our kitchen, there are a lot of other projects that I want to do here, but as far as fall decor, my mom, that's a hand-me-down sign from my mom up there that she gave me. My sister gave me this beautiful towel. This is a little DIY project that my daughters and I did with leaves and acorns and pine cones and floating candles. We did a video on it, so I'll put a link down below to that video. And then we have a fall-themed hot cocoa, hot chocolate, whatever you want to call it, cart here that we made. We also did a video on this project that I can link below, but a lot of these things I've had before or else I got at Dollar General. Here's an old candle from Bath & Body Works that is fall themed, and I just love even how it smells in here. It's nice to see fall and then also smell fall. Here's one of my favorite areas to sit in the house, especially looking out the window, but it is kind of poor for shooting. I added a couple things with fall here. Here I got another little pumpkin from my dad's garden. Seems like a theme right here. It's free, right? Thank you, Dad. And then just one pillow from Dollar General. That's the final fall pillow they had there when I went to the store. I would like to add more fall pillows, but of course that's all money. If you have a fall pillow that you would recommend, please link that down below. And we also got this fall wreath here, which I kind of like because it has a little mid-century vibe, and I'm kind of getting into the whole mid-century modern vibe. We got that from a local store called Cody Foster and Company. Now we're moving into our living room where we did the majority of the decorating. Most of my decor is more fall themed rather than Halloween themed, but I did let my kids bring out one Halloween themed decor that they like. Camille, do you remember where we got him?
Yeah.
Where did we get him at?
Target.
Target last year? You love him? I like to keep it more fall themed because I feel like then you can use it all the way through Thanksgiving, but Halloween you have to put away at the end of October. In addition to our spook, we also decorated the fireplace with a couple other things. I got this fall garland, or whatever you want to call it, from Home Goods this year. This little character I got from Dollar General. That was from my mom, and once again, all the pumpkins here are from my dad's wonderful garden. And if you're wondering, that's my wonderful mom and dad right there. My dad with the garden and the pumpkins. Yay! So when you're decorating, one rule of thumb that my mother has taught me is that it's better for odd numbers. So here I have 3 pumpkins instead of 2 pumpkins. I have to keep in mind that I do have young children, so I like to also make the season fun for them.
This one's kind of hard.
One of the ways I'm doing that is by placing these fall books out for them to read.
Piggy! I hope you like our fall house. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!